Why does my Pandora app keep stopping on my device?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many of you have been experiencing: the Pandora app continually stopping on your device. If this is happening to you, don't worry. There are several steps you can take to try and resolve the issue.
Why does the Pandora app keep stopping?
Before we jump into the solutions, it's important to understand why this issue might be occurring. 1. Outdated app. If your Pandora app hasn't been updated in a while, it might be experiencing compatibility issues with your device's operating system. 2. Internet connection issues. Pandora needs a solid internet connection to function properly. If your connection is weak or unstable, this could be the reason the app keeps stopping. 3. Device storage. If your device doesn't have enough storage space, apps can sometimes stop working correctly.
How can I fix it?
Now that we understand the possible causes, let's explore some solutions. Solution 1. Update the app. Check the App Store to make sure you have the latest version of Pandora. If an update is available, download and install it, then check to see if the problem persists. Solution 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or switching to mobile data to see if this resolves the issue. Solution 3. Clear your device storage. Check your device's storage. If it's close to full, try deleting unnecessary files or uninstalling apps you no longer use. Solution 4. Reinstall the app. If all else fails, try uninstalling and then reinstalling Pandora. This can often clear up persistent issues by providing a fresh start. That wraps up our troubleshooting guide for the Pandora app. Remember, the key is to approach the issue systematically by identifying potential causes and trying out solutions. We hope these steps help you enjoy your music uninterrupted. Until next time, happy listening.